On our Claas Cat Lexion 570, we've got a HoneyBee header with a MacDon reel. The MacDon reel has got aluminum supports connecting to the aluminum brace that break occasionally. In order to create a replacement part, built a fixture plate by facing off a piece of flat steel and drilling holes in the appropriate spot. Here I show the part mounted, confirming that the hole's in the right place. I then used a 6-inch or 6mm end mill to cut the path into the fixture plate so I could run the end mill below the surface of the faced off steel. First operation after I fasten a blank to the fixture plate is to spot some holes with a 120 degree 8mm end mill, chamfered end mill, and then with a 7mm drill I drill through the 3/8 inch stock, so I'm through the stock but not into the tapped holes underneath. Now that the holes are drilled, I screw them down with flathead screws with chamfered edges which lock it in place. Now the operation to cut the part out with a 6mm 4-flute high-speed steel tool. Finished part is now pulled out, deburred, and done. The finished part has rounded edges at the ends because the blank stock I had was smaller than it should have been.